So, how to fix Facebook dating option not showing easy and fast. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook dating option not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Facebook like this. Click enter, and now on this page if you found this update option, that means you don't have the latest version, so you should click on this update to update your Facebook, and that's it. Very easy and fast. And if it's not fixed even after updating, that means you don't have this option in your country yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.